Welcome to Tales and More Tales. Enjoy the story. Turn on CC for subtitles.
Far beyond the village hills, a wise swallow soared peacefully above the quiet countryside meadow. One morning, the swallow noticed farmers planting tiny flax seeds carefully into the rich soil. The swallow quickly realized the danger and hurried to warn the other birds. But the sparrows only laughed and continued enjoying their carefree games. Days passed, and gentle rain helped the tiny seeds begin to grow. Soon, the flax plants became tall and strong beneath the warm afternoon sun. As the swallow watched closely, the farmers harvested the fully grown flax. Inside the village barn, the flax was woven into strong nets made to trap birds. Once again, the swallow begged the sparrows to be careful. But the sparrows ignored the warning and flew happily across the fields. And many of the unsuspecting birds flew into the nets and were trapped. The swallow watched sadly as the trapped sparrows struggled to escape. One frightened sparrow looked toward the swallow with deep regret. Heartbroken, the swallow quietly flew away into the glowing sunset sky. And on that day, the sparrows that escaped learned it was always better to listen to wise advice.
Did you enjoy the story? Like and subscribe for more tales.